A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Mahanti sir. Children, in the last class we were discussing about the concept of surface area and volume of cuboid and cube. Actually, I had discussed only about surface area and volume. What is surface area? What is volume? What is cuboid? What is cube, etc. What are the different faces or surfaces? The concept of surface, cuboid and cube, they have only plane surface. They have no curved surface. How many plane surfaces are there in a cuboid and a cube, etc. These are the things which we have discussed in the last class. Today let us discuss how to find what is lateral surface area, what is total surface area. Everything was discussed in detail in the last class. So today let us discuss how to find out the lateral surface area, total surface area and volume of cuboid and cube. Okay, so see children, as I told you in the last class, this is a cuboid. Okay, suppose let us draw the figure of a cuboid. See, this is a cuboid. Say it is a three-dimensional solid having length, breadth and height all are different or unequal. We call it a cuboid. But in a cube what happens? The length, breadth and height, they all are same. So that is why the length, breadth and height of a cube, they are called edge. Okay, edge of the cube. Edge of the cube means it is the length, it is the breadth as well as it is the height. Okay, now suppose this is a cuboid. Now how to find its lateral surface area and total surface area. So what is meant by lateral surface area? It was discussed in the last class. Lateral surface area means in a cuboid, suppose the duster is a cuboid. You see, this is the base of the duster, this is the top. So other than the base and top, whatever four surfaces, rectangular surfaces are there in a cuboid, those four rectangular surfaces, they are called lateral faces or lateral surfaces of the cuboid. Now how to find the area of those four lateral faces? So area of four lateral faces of a cuboid, okay, area of four lateral faces of a cuboid is known as your lateral surface area. So how to get, what is the formula to find the lateral surface area of a cuboid? You see, lateral surface area, or it is also known as area of four walls. You see, area of four walls of a cuboid. How can we find? How can we find the area of four walls of a cuboid, which is also known as your lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means other than the base and top, whatever four surfaces are left or remain, if you find the area of those four surfaces of the cuboid, it will give you the lateral surface area, which is otherwise known as your area of four walls. And what is the formula? The formula is, you see, you know what is the perimeter of a rectangle? How to find perimeter of a rectangle? You know the formula. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B, 2 into length plus breadth. That is the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. Now, if you multiply the perimeter and height, if you multiply the perimeter of the base and the height, you will get the lateral surface area or area of four walls. That means it is perimeter into, the formula is perimeter into height. Okay. Now in place of perimeter, what will we write? We will write 2 into L plus B, where L is the length of the cuboid and B is breadth of the cuboid, and in place of H. So 2 into L plus B into H. This will be the formula to find area of lateral surfaces or lateral surface area, or you can say area of four walls of the cuboid. Okay. Now, if this is the area of four walls or lateral surface area, then what will be the total surface area? How to get the total surface area of a cuboid? As I just told you now, in a cuboid, other than the base and top, the four other faces or surfaces are lateral surfaces. Okay. So when total surface, when the concept of total surface area comes, what we will do? In order to find the total surface area of a cuboid, what we have to do? We have to add the area of top as well as base. You see, add the area of base and the top to the lateral surface area or area of four walls. It will give you the total surface area. That means, what I meant to say, total surface area is what? Area of four walls plus area of base plus area of top. Now see, one thing you mark, children, area of base and area of top of a cuboid is same. Whatever is the area of base, it will be same as the area of top or ceiling, you can say. Area of ceiling and area of floor or base will be same. So what will be the formula? L into B, length into breadth. So this will be length into breadth, area of base, and area of top or ceiling, it is also L into B. That means LB plus LB, it is 2LB. So what will be the total surface area? Now you put the formula in place of area of 4 walls, you write down 2H into L plus B, and in place of this LB plus LB. Okay. Now if you add, if you simplify, if you add, you will get 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So this is the total surface area of a cuboid. Means it is the area of 4 walls plus area of base and the ceiling. Okay, this is the total surface area. Now let us discuss about volume. Yes, what about the diagonal? Children, just if you mark in a room itself is a cuboid. Where you are sitting or where I am standing and teaching you now, it is a cube. You see, from one corner to another corner, diagonally if you join from one corner to another, diagonally, it is called a diagonal of the cuboid. Now how to find? What is the formula for diagonal of cuboid? You see, the next formula is diagonal of cuboid. That means from this corner to this corner. From this corner to this corner, if you join, you will get diagonal. So what is diagonal of a cuboid? What is the formula you see? Diagonal of a cuboid can be found out by which formula? It is the square root of L square plus B square plus H square. That means square of length plus square of breadth plus square of height. If you take the square root, you will get your diagonal of a cuboid. Okay. Then what will be the volume? What will be the formula for volume of cuboid? Children, volume we already know from class 4. Volume means what? Area into height. Area of base into height. You see. So volume of cuboid is equal to your area of base. You see, area of base into height. Okay. Now what will be the formula for area of base? As you know, the base of a cuboid is rectangle. So area of base means it is L into B. So area of base, it is L into B and multiplied by height H. So L into B into H will give you your volume of cuboid. Area of base into height. Now area of base can easily be calculated. How to calculate area of base of a cuboid? Suppose you are given volume of cuboid and you are given the height. How to get area of base? Volume of cube divided by height. If you divide the height by volume of cuboid, you will get base area or area of base. Okay. This is the formula to find volume of a cuboid, from which you can easily find height in terms of, you can easily find height of the cuboid when you are given volume of cuboid and area of base. You divide volume of cuboid by area of base, you will get the height of the cuboid. Okay. So this is the formula to find volume of a cuboid. Now let us discuss about cube. Children, already I have discussed in the previous class that in a cube, all the 3 dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. Let us draw the figure of a cube, 3D solids you see. Suppose look at the figure. Suppose this is a cube. In a cube, the length, breadth and height all are same, or all are of same length. That means in a cube, you see, in a cube, L equal to B equal to H. So as the length, breadth and height of a cube are same or equal, we denote it. It is taken by edge, you see. It is called the edge. Edge means it is the length, it is the breadth as well as it is the height of the cube. Okay. So in a cube, L equal to B equal to H equal to X. Suppose let us denote the edge by X. Let us denote the edge by X, where X denotes the edge of the cube. Now if X is the edge of the cube, that means it is the length as well as breadth as well as height. Then what will be, you see, like a cuboid, Ludo die, you must have seen Ludo die, it is cubical in shape. Okay, it is a cube. Cubical ice cream, it is also cubical. Okay, so you must have seen Ludo die, it is cube in shape or cubical in shape. Now how to find area? It has also 6 surfaces. All the surfaces are plane surfaces. So how to get the lateral surface area of a cube? How to get the total surface area of a cube? How to get the diagonal of a cube? And how to get the volume of a cube? Let us discuss. Okay. Now lateral surface area, you see, lateral surface area, LSA, lateral surface area or area of four walls of a cube, What will be the formula? See, in case of cuboid, you see, in case of cuboid, what was the formula? It was 2h into L plus B. So in place of h, L and B, you see, we can derive it. 2h into L plus B. You see, this is the lateral surface area or area of four walls of cuboid. Now, in case of cube, in place of h, that is height, in place of length, and in place of breadth, you just put edge or x. You will get the lateral surface area. You see, what will be the formula? If you put here, you see, if you put here x, 2 into x plus into x plus x, that means 2x into 2x, it will be 4x square. You see, so this will be the formula. 4 into edge square or square of edge. Okay, it will give you the lateral surface area or area of four walls. So the formula is 4 into edge square, or you can say 4 into x square, where x is the edge, of cube. You see. Now similarly, how to get the total surface area? You see. Now before finding total surface area, let us find area of base. What will be the area of base of cube? You see, area of base of cube. As I told you just now that a cube has 6 plane surfaces. Its base, all the plane surfaces or all the faces are what? Squares. So the base is a square and the top is also a square. I mean both floor and ceiling. I mean the base and the top, both are squares. And you know what is the formula for area of square? It is side into side. So in case of cube, it will be edge into edge or edge square. So area of base will be edge square. Okay. Area of base, the formula will be edge square or x square. Okay. If x is the edge of the cube. Now, if x square is the area of base of a cube, then area of top, it will be what? It will be also area of base. This will be x square and this will be also x square. So x square plus x square, 2x square. Now this 2x square will be added to the lateral surface area or area of four walls in order to get the total surface area. Therefore, so the total surface area, see, how can we calculate the total surface area? TSA. Total surface area of cube. It will be equal to how much? It will be lateral surface area, that is 4x square plus area of what? Base plus area of top. You see, area of top. I mean top surface. So this is 4x square plus x square plus x square. It will be 6x square. This is the formula. 6x square means 6 into square of h. Or in simple language you can say that the total surface, as there are 6 surfaces, 6 plane surfaces in a cube and the area of each surface is x square or edge into edge, then total surface area of cube will be 6 into x square, because area of one surface is x square, each surface is a square. There are 6 squares in a cube, so the total surface area will be 6 into x square. Okay. So now what will be the diagonal of a cube? You see, how to calculate diagonal of a cube. Diagonal of a cube. You see, in case of cuboid, just recall, just few minutes ago I said that the diagonal of a cuboid can be found out by the square root of what? L square plus B square plus H square, where L, B and H are the length, breadth and height of the cuboid respectively. So, in case of cube, you see, we can derive the formula in this manner. You see. Now, this is the formula to find diagonal of a cuboid. Now, but in cube, length, breadth and height all are same. That is, it is the edge denoted by x. So, in place of L, you put x. Here x, here x. So, what you will get? Let us find out. So, it will be x square plus x square plus x square, square root. This will be square root of 3x square. You see. It will be equal to square root of 3x square and it will be equal to root 3 into x. You see, so this is the formula. Root 3 into edge. Root 3 into edge of cube will be equal to diagonal of a cube. That means diagonal of a cube will be found out by multiplying root 3 into the edge, into the edge of the cube. Okay, so this is the formula. Now, how to find volume of cube? Let us see. The last formula of cube, you see, volume of cube. How can we find volume of a cube? Now, volume of a cube, children, we have already read in class 4. In cuboid, I said if you multiply length, breadth and height, you will get the volume of the cuboid. Now, how to get the volume of cube? As I told you just now, in a cube, length, breadth, height are same. So, they are called edge. So, in place of L, you write edge. In place of B, you write edge. In place of H, you write edge. That means edge into edge into edge, which is equal to edge cube or x cube. So, volume of cube will be equal to edge into edge into edge. Okay, so it is the cube of edge cube, or you can say x cube. Okay, so children, this is the concept of your surface area and volume. Surface area means both lateral surface area and total surface area. Lateral here means planes. Lateral means your arch, cuboid and cube have only plane surfaces. So the four walls, area of four walls is known as your lateral surface area of both cuboid and cube. So how to find lateral surface area, total surface area, volume and area of base, diagonal of cuboid and cube. These are the things I discussed. If you remember this formula, you can easily solve any problem on cuboid and cube. Okay. So with this we completed the concept of surface area and what? Volume of cuboid and cube. And in the next class we are going to discuss what is cylinder, how to find surface area of total surface area, curved surface area. What is curved surface area? What is the concept of curved surface area? What is curved surface area? What is total surface area? What is cylinder? How a cylinder is generated? How to find your curved surface area, total surface area and volume of a cylinder? We shall discuss, because cylinder is another three-dimensional solid, 3D shape or 3D solid. We are going to discuss about cylinder in the next class. Children, I hope whatever I discussed about the surface area and volume of cuboid and cube, you must have understood. If at all it is true, I would like to say that you please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, okay? So that I feel encouraged to discuss more and more things in my upcoming classes, okay? So we will discuss again about surface area and volume of another important three-dimensional solid known as your cylinder, then cone, everything we have to discuss in this class. Then sphere, hemisphere, etc. We are going to discuss everything in detail in our upcoming classes, in my upcoming classes. Okay, thank you.